Is your Uverse TV constantly freezing during your favorite shows? You're definitely not alone in experiencing this frustrating problem. Many users experience freezing due to three main issues: streaming buffer problems, signal issues, and app malfunctions. Understanding these causes helps us fix them effectively. It's important to understand that Uverse is an aging system. AT&T is actively transitioning users to newer streaming services, but there are still effective fixes you can try right now. However, you can try some immediate fixes that have a 70 to 80% success rate. Let's start with the most effective method, the power cycle. First, try the power cycle method. Unplug your Uverse receiver for 30 seconds, then restart your modem and gateway device. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for a complete system reboot. Next, optimize your network connection. Connect your receiver via Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. This provides a more stable connection and reduces freezing. Finally, perform app maintenance. Clear the Uverse app's cache and data, force close and restart the application, or update and reinstall the app if problems persist. These three immediate fixes, power cycling, network optimization, and app maintenance, have proven effective for most users, with success rates between 70 and 80%. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Uverse TV freezing issues, it's time to explore advanced solutions that address deeper technical problems. Advanced solutions focus on enhancing signal quality and optimizing your network configuration for better Uverse performance. First, examine your coaxial cable connections. Look for signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Replace any splitters that are older than 3 years, as they can degrade signal quality over time. If you're receiving a weak signal, consider installing a signal amplifier. For complex issues, request an AT&T technician visit for professional line testing and assessment. Network configuration plays a crucial role in Uverse performance. Several advanced settings can significantly improve your streaming experience. Enable quality of service prioritization to give Uverse traffic priority over other network activities. This helps reduce congestion and ensures smoother streaming during peak usage times. Switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if available. This frequency is less congested than 2.4 GHz and provides better performance for streaming applications. Configure your DNS settings to use Google DNS at 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare DNS at 1.11.1. These public DNS servers often provide faster domain resolution, which can improve overall streaming performance. It's important to understand that AT&T is phasing out Uverse TV service. The company has been transitioning customers to newer streaming platforms. AT&T stopped new Uverse installations in 2020 and expects complete service discontinuation by 2027 to 2028. Technical support and hardware replacement are becoming increasingly limited. AT&T recommends migrating to DirecTV Stream or other modern streaming services. These platforms offer more reliable performance, regular updates, and better long-term support than the aging Uverse infrastructure. While these advanced solutions can significantly improve your current Uverse experience, the service's planned phase-out means that migrating to a modern streaming platform will provide the best long-term solution for reliable television service.